Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. You have to start by open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu as I have. Right here you need to go to the sound, and firstly we need to enable ANC. So right here at the ambient sound controls, click at the noise cancelling. And right here we have a different mode. So by default it uses adaptive mode, and it change your ANC level depend of the background. Also you can use noisy, and you have 3 levels. So to increase it, just move it to the left, to the right, and to lower this ANC level, move it to the left. The same with community, we have 3 levels. Indoor, the same, also 3 levels. And the last one is anti-wind noise reduction, and we cannot change this level. It's the same as with adaptive. Also, you can enable environment adaptive right here at the bottom by just click on this slider near to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!